What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to spice things up with your strumming with a chuck. So if you want to learn how to chuck on the uke, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we're zoomed in and you can see the magic that happens around the chucking on the uke. So I have the C chord down. But if you don't want to add any chords just yet, you can just do open string. Basically take your left hand off the uke and just hold it. Don't add any fingers on the strings. But you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to strum down. And then press down with your palm. So again, strum down, press down, strum down, press down, strum down, press down. So when you're pressing a down, what I like to do is I like to press down with this meaty portion of my hand right here. So sort of the side of your palm and this part right here. Again, I just say meaty portion because we got some thick fingers on this channel. But again, you're just gonna strum down, press down. And again, if you're just starting out, you can literally just strum down and then press down like you're hitting the uke. And that's gonna be sort of muting the strings. But if you want to achieve this sound, you're gonna have to do that a lot quicker. So what I recommend is starting off with doing this for 5 minutes. Strum down, press down, strum down, press down. Do that for 5 minutes, and then once you feel comfortable with that, you can do it a little bit faster. Strum down, press down, strum down, press down, strum down, press down, strum down, press down. And then once you get that down, you can start making faster and faster and faster, and eventually you're going to achieve that sound, which is the chuck. And again, you're just going to strum down, and when you're doing it really quickly, as soon as your finger leaves the last string, you're already muting the strings. That is how you're going to achieve that. So again, do it fast. But what I do recommend is starting off slow and then speeding up as soon as you feel comfortable with that speed, and just speeding it up, and eventually you'll get there. All right, so again, just to recap, make sure you start off slow. So just do the strum down and then press down. And then as soon as you feel comfortable doing that, speed it up. And eventually it'll sound like this. Alright, so that's it for me. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, if you haven't already. Also, if you just recently subscribed to this channel, welcome to the Uke Fam, the best Uke Fam on the YouTubes, in my opinion. Thank you so much for all the support. I know there's a billion, gajillion, trillion videos that you can watch here on YouTube, and you clicked on this one, so high five for that. Thank you so much. And again, make sure to open the description below for links to everything from the uke that I'm playing in this video, which is the concert-sized Enya ukulele. Highly recommend this uke, and it is super affordable. I'll leave a link to the Amazon page below. Also links to the merch, which I'm wearing right here, and links to all of my socials: TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon. They're all going to be at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to tag me in all of your stuff and follow me on the socials that you use. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped on how to learn how to chuck. And remember, take it slow, keep practicing, and you'll get there. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.